Welcome all of you dear students. As you know, yesterday हमने जो फंजे के जनरल कैरेक्टर्स है उसमें हमने वो डिस्कस किए द जनरल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ फंजे। तो उसके बाद जो दूसरा टॉपिक जो आता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज टाइप्स ऑफ फंजे, या वी कैन से क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फंजे। तो ये आज का टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे हम। ये जो फंजे हैं ये कितने किस्म के होंगे या उनके कितने टाइप्स होते हैं। तो फंजे जो है, अगर आपको याद होगा तो मैंने जब पहले कहा कि ये फंजे जो है जो इसमें ऑर्गेनिज्म आते हैं ऑल आर यूकैरियोट्स, तो सब में वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस है। तो इन फंजे जो है इनको हम यूमाइसीट्स भी कहते हैं। These are also called as eumaecytes. The fungi are also called as the organisms which come under this kingdom fungi. They are also called as eumaecytes because they are eukaryotic. They have well-defined nucleus, so they are called as eumaecytes. तो eumaecytes जो होते हैं इनको हम दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, दो टाइप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं। One is called as lower fungi. Second is called as higher fungi. सेकंड टाइप जो है इनको हम हायर फंजे कहते हैं। तो लोअर फंजे जो है these are also called as aseptate fungi, aseptate and cynostic फंजी, क्योंकि उनमें जो हाइफा होता है दैट इज ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कंटिन्यूअस, देयर इज नो सेप्टेशन, नो क्रॉस फॉर्मेशन इज देयर, सो multinuclear condition is there, so they are called as cynocytic aseptate as well as cynocytic condition. So these higher fungi, there is septation present. Septation is there, so these are called as septate fungi. There is septation or crosswalk. अगर हम ये हाइफा ले लेंगे तो इनमें सेप्टेशन होती है। तो अगर इनमें हम हाइफा ले लेंगे, so this is there is no septation, so multinuclear condition is here. So these are called as septate and these are called as aseptate. So these aseptate fungi, they are further classified into they are phycomycetes. These are also called as phycomycetes. So these higher fungi, they have been categorized into three types or three classes. So first is called as ascomycetes. Second type, and first is called as ascomycetes. Second type जो है they are called as basidiomycetes. Third type जो है they are called as deuteriomycetes. So there are the three types of fungi which come under this higher fungi. They are called as ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteriomycetes. As far as this lower phycomycetes, there is another type, it's called as mastigomycetes or as zygomycetes. Or you can see this mastigomycetes has two types. One is called as mastigomycetes. Second type is called as mastigomycetes. So we can say we may write here phycomycetes. Second is called as one is called as mastigomycetes. Second type is called as zygomycetes. Second type of mycetes is called as zygomycetes. So these phycomycetes, they are further classified into two types. One is called as this mastigomycetes. Second is called as zygomycetes. So in nutshell, we can say there are four types of these fungi. One is called as phycomycetes. Second is called as zygomycetes, ascomycetes, then basidiomycetes and deuteriomycetes. So अब हम एक एक करके उनके जनरल कैरेक्टर्स पढ़ेंगे या we will discuss these one by one, or we will take this different types of fungi one by one, and we will discuss their general characters. General characters. Let's first we will take this. First we will take this Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes. So these Phycomycetes, these are also called as algal fungi. They are also called as algal fungi. जो भी इसमें आते हैं Phycomycetes में, so they are also called as algal mycetes because of their habitat. Because of their habitat, they are found in water. They are aquatic. So that's why they are called as algal fungi. कभी-कभी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है तो Phycomycetes. Why they are called as algal mycetes? Yeah. What is the another name of Phycomycetes? That is algal fungi. So these fungi, they belong to lower classes, or we can say they are also called as lower fungi. These are also called as lower fungi. तो अगर हम के जनरल कैरेक्टर्स ले लेंगे, फर्स्ट लेट्स टेक दिस हैबिटेट. तो इनका हैबिटेट है, दे आर मोस्टली दे आर aquatic. So they are found in water. Some are on decaying logs, or you may write down wood. Some are found as decaying logs, or you may write down wood. या कुछ उनमें ऐसे भी होते हैं जो moist प्लेस पे होते हैं, जहाँ पे नमी हो, जहाँ मॉइस्चर हो, तो वहाँ पे ये पाए जाते हैं. तो इसके अलावा some are found as parasites. Some are found as parasites in plants, and they are also called as obligate parasites. Obligate यहाँ पर वर्ड ये obligate है. तो obligate means they can't change their mode of nutrition. For example, यहाँ हम ले लेंगे there is fungi A. It lives on another, for example, plant, that is pea plant. So these types of fungi, they can't change their mode of nutrition. So those parasites which can't change their host, they can't change their mode of nutrition, or you may write down host, so those are called as obligate parasites. तो सेकंड कुछ ऐसे भी होते हैं जो ये मूड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन चेंज करते हैं, लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं फैकल्टेटिव. दे आर कॉल्ड एज फैकल्टेटिव पैरासाइट्स. So those parasites which can change their mode of nutrition. या कुछ ऐसे भी होते हैं जो obligate saprophytes होते हैं. Some are obligate saprophytes. For example, some are obligate saprophytes, and they can't change their mode of lifestyle or mode of nutrition. Some may be facultative saprophytes. Some may be facultative saprophytes. So means that those fungi which are obligate parasites, they can't change their mode of nutrition. They can't be this saprophytes. But some are facultative parasites. They can change their mode of nutrition. They will become as saprophytes also. They are called as facultative parasites. Similar to this case, obligate saprophytes. So obligate saprophytes are those, they can't change their mode of nutrition. They can't become as parasites. But some may change their mode of nutrition. They are called as facultative saprophytes. So these are the two terms. One is called as obligate, second is called as facultative. So obligate, it may be obligate parasite, or it may be facultative parasite, or it may be obligate this saprophyte or facultative. कभी-कभी एग्जाम में आता है what do mean by this facultative or obligate parasite. So these are the fungi which may be aquatic. They are also found on this decaying logs or wood. Some may be present in moisture, some may be as obligate parasites. So this is their habitat. So अगर हम ये फंगे उनका हाइफे ले लेंगे या बॉडी हाइफे ले लेंगे, so their body is also called as thallus. मैंने कहा इनको अगर फंगे कहते हैं तो इनकी प्लांट बॉडी जो है that resembles with this thallus of algae. So this plant body is also called as thallus. Thallus is that plant body where there is no differentiation of this true root to stem. यानी उनमें ट्रू रूट्स नहीं होते हैं, ट्रू स्टेम नहीं होते हैं. सो दैट प्लांट बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एज थैलस. सो अगर यहाँ पर ले लेंगे उनकी प्लांट बॉडी या थैलस ले लेंगे, देयर इज हाइफे. द हाइफे इज लॉन्ग ट्यूब-like structure. The hyphae is long tube-like structure. So there is number one, there is no septation. There is no septation or cross walls. There is no septation or cross walls. हाइफा जो है इसमें सेप्टेशन नहीं होती है बल्कि दे आर कंटिन्यूअस. देयर इज नो क्रॉस वॉल्स. तो अनदर कंडीशन इन दिस हाइफे आर ट्यूब, there may be multinucleate condition. There is multinucleate condition. Multinucleate condition, and more than 2, 3, 4, 5 nucleases may be present there. So such a condition is called as xenocytic condition. Xenocytic condition. Xenocytic condition. Such a condition is there called as xenocytic condition. तो ये जो फायदे हैं, एक तो इनमें सेप्टेशन नहीं होती है, दूसरा इनमें मल्टीन्यूक्लियर कंडीशन है. तो दीज फंगे आर कॉल्ड एज, यू मे राइट डाउन इट, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज aseptate, these are called as aseptate and xenocytic fungi. These are called as aseptate and xenocytic fungi. तो ये सेप्टा और ये प्लांट बॉडी होती है. तो जब ये सबस्ट्रेटम पर होती है, मान लो इनका सबस्ट्रेटम फॉर एग्जांपल हम ले लेंगे, यहाँ पे म्यूकर है, यहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनिज्म म्यूकर एक एग्जांपल है, या राइजोपस और एक किस्म की एग्जांपल है, जिसे हम राइजोपस जो है ब्रेड मोल्ड भी कहते हैं, आल्सो कॉल्ड एज ब्रेड मोल्ड. अगर हम उसका थैलस ले लेंगे, उसकी प्लांट बॉडी ले लेंगे, तो जब ये सबस्ट्रेटम पर होता है, when it is found on substratum, इसका सबस्ट्रेटम ब्रेड है, तो इस ब्रेड में जब ये जर्मिनेट होते हैं स्पोर्स, तो पहले वो दे प्रोड्यूस यूनिसेल्युलर hair-like structures. Those are called as rhizoids. As I told you that there are not proroots. True roots में नहीं होते हैं, तो ये unicellular hair-like structures, these are called as unicellular. These are unicellular hair-like structures. So these are called as rhizoids. तो ये सबस्ट्रेटम में जाते हैं, तो सबस्ट्रेटम से ये एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन की फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो उसके बाद ये सबस्ट्रेटम पर जो हाइफा, सेकंड टाइप ऑफ हाइफा इसमें फैल जाता है पूरी तरह इस पर. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ हाइफा इज कॉल्ड एज स्टोन हाइफा. That is called as stone hypha or hyphae. And first this hypha produces small unicellular hair-like structures. They enter into the substratum. They are called as rhizoids. Second type of hypha that spreads on whole substratum. Meaning it spreads on whole substratum. So this is called as stone. तो इस stone से जब ये maturity आती है, तो it forms a fruiting body. This is called as fruiting body. तो जो फ्रूटिंग पार्ट है इसमें 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं. वन इज कॉल्ड एज स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज स्पोरेंजियोफोर. स्पोरेंजियोफोर. It is called as sporangiophore. It is stalk-like structure. On the tip of this sporangiophore, there is owl-shaped structure. So this is fruiting body. It is called as sporangium. Sporangium. It is called as sporangium. It is called as sporangium. तो sporangium में spores present होते हैं. They are called as spores or sporangiospores. They are called as spores. या उनको हम स्पोरेंजियोस्पोर्स भी कहते हैं. सो दी स्पोर्स व्हेन मैच्योर, ये जो स्पोरेंजियल वॉल है इट गेट्स ब्रेक डाउन, तो ये इससे बाहर आते हैं. देन दे जर्मिनेट इनटू न्यू एंड दिस इज देयर प्लांट बॉडी होती है इनमें. तो अब उनमें रिप्रोडक्शन की बात करेंगे. यहाँ पर रिप्रोडक्शन. तो जो रिप्रोडक्शन की बात है यहाँ पे, तो रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस बाय मीन्स ऑफ, रिप्रोडक्शन जो है इनमें इट टेक्स प्लेस बोथ बाय एसेक्सुअल एज वेल एज सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. बोथ बाय asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Second is called as sexual reproduction. Second is called as sexual reproduction. तो अगर हम ये asexual reproduction लेंगे, यानी asexual type of reproduction अगर हम लेंगे, तो इसमें spores बनते हैं. It is formed by means of spores. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of spores. तो spores जो होते हैं, they are of 2 types. One is called as zoospores. One is called as zoospores. तो जो zoospores होते हैं, they are motile. The zoospores are motile and they have flagella. They have flagella. So second type of this spore जो उनमें होता है, that is called as aplanospore. Aplanospores. तो जो aplanospores होते हैं, ये they are small in size as compared to the zoospores. Small in size. Number 1. Number 2, they are non-motile. They are non-motile. इनमें flagella नहीं होता है, so they are non-motile. तो ये spores जो बनते हैं, the spores are produced. Spores are produced in a fruiting body. In a fruiting body. Spores are produced in a fruiting body. The fruiting body here is called as sporangium. मान लो ये हाइफा है, जब ये मैच्योर होता है, so it makes a fruiting body. Our structure, so this is called as fruiting body. Fruiting body. तो इस fruiting body में कभी-कभी क्या होता है, यहाँ पे इसमें spores बनते हैं. So these spores then they mature. ये sporangial wall जो है ये बाहर आता है. But I told you that the spores are of 2 types. One is called as zoospores. They are motile. So second type of spores is called as aplanospores. Both the types of spores, when they are produced, they get germinated. Then spores germinate. They germinate into this new fungi. They form new fungi. So this is called as asexual reproduction, and it is called as asexual reproduction. तो sexual reproduction की जो बात है, it takes place by the fusion of opposite strands, and sexual reproduction takes place by as या कभी-कभी ये भी आता है, मैं भूल गया यहाँ पर, spores are formed endogenously. कभी-कभी ये क्वेश्चन आता है, spores जो होते हैं they are formed endogenously, and they are formed inside the sporangium. They are, क्योंकि यहाँ पे के कुछ फंगी ऐसे भी होते हैं, उनमें कोनिडिया बनते हैं. They also help in this reproduction. तो इनको हम कोनिडिया कहते हैं. fungi, for example, this as far as ascomycetes are concerned, they are Cornelia formed, but Cornelia formed outside the body, they are called as exogenous. But as far as spores are concerned, they are formed inside the sporangium or fruiting body, so it may be called as they are endogenous. Endogenous or endogenously are formed, and spores are formed endogenously. तो sexual reproduction की जो बात है, so here 3 steps take place. ये जो sexual reproduction है, in sexual reproduction 3 steps take place. Sexual reproduction, तो इनमें 3 steps take place. One is called as plasmogamy. Second is called as karyogamy. Third is called as meiosis. So plasmogamy, it refers to fusion of cytoplasm. तो जब ये अपोजिट स्ट्रैंड्स आते हैं, उनके सेल्स जब आते हैं, कंबाइन वन इज कॉल्ड एज प्लस, अदर इज कॉल्ड एज माइनस स्ट्रैंड, जब वो कंबाइन होते हैं तो पहले उनका साइटोप्लाज्म फ्यूज होता है. फर्स्ट द फ्यूजन ऑफ cytoplasm takes place, that process called as plasmogamy. So here when these two cells combine together, the fusion of cytoplasm takes place. Then second step is called as, after plasmogamy, karyogamy simultaneously takes place. So जब karyogamy होती है तो karyogamy में क्या, for example here it is n number of chromosomes, here it is n number of chromosomes, तो यहाँ पे this will be called as 2n. Fusion of nuclei takes place. So when fusion of nuclei takes place, this step is called as karyogamy. Karyo means nucleus. So fusion of karyogamy is called as, the fusion of this nuclei is called as karyogamy. So it forms a diploid structure. That may also be called as zygospore or zygote we can say. So this is diploid, or we may have it 2n. Then third step takes place when this diploid zygote or zygospore forms. It undergoes meiosis. Meiosis, as you know, that it is a special type of division in which one cell divides into 4 cells. So these are called as gametes also. So here what happens? Chromosome number gets reduced. For example, अगर parent में chromosome number 8 है, तो इनमें 4 chromosome, यानी chromosome number gets reduced or how? So अगर parent में 8 chromosome number हो तो gametes में 4 होंगे यहाँ पे. तो meiosis जब होगा तो ये diploid जो nucleus है, will get divided into different types of spores. These are called as meiospores. The spores produced due to meiosis or during meiosis, they are called as meiospores. So जो meiospores बनते हैं, they will undergo germination and form a new organism. तो जो reproduction होती है इनमें, it is of 3 types. In sexual reproduction, it may be of 3 types. And here we can write down types of sexual reproduction. In Phycomycetes. So it is of 3 types. One is called as isogamy. Second is called as anisogamy. Third one is called as oogamy. And first is called as isogamy. तो isogamy में क्या होता है? अगर ले लेंगे हम first isogamy. In isogamy, what happens? In isogamy, the gametes are of similar size or similar kinds. So here gametes are of similar size or same size. Similar size or of same size. So the gametes are called as isogametes. And both the gametes will be of same size, but here they may be both motile. Both may be motile and fragile may be present in both the gametes. So such type of gametes are called as isogametes. And their fusion is known as, that is called as isogamy. That is called as isogamy. So this is called as isogamy because the gametes here are same size, are that is called as isogametes, and the fusion is called as isogamy. So second type, that is called as anisogamy. Anisogamy. In anisogamy, what happens here? The gametes होते हैं, they are of different size. Gametes are of different size. Different size. So the smaller one is known as male gamete, and the larger one is called as female gamete. Larger one female gamete. But both may be, for instance, male gamete, it is smaller in size, maybe motile. Then female gamete is also motile, but size of female gamete is larger. So these gametes are called as anisogametes. These are called as anisogametes. So जब ये gametes fuse होते हैं, combine fuse होते हैं, so if this process is called as anisogamy. Process is called as anisogamy. So third type of sexual reproduction, that is called as oogamy. In oogamy, what happens here? Number one, जो ओगैमी है, what happens in ओगैमी? ओगैमी. तो ओगैमी में gametes are of different size. Number one, gametes are of different size. तो gametes जो होते हैं, they are of different size. Male gamete जो होता है, male gamete, that is smaller in size. Smaller in size and is motile, or I can write down here active, The male gamete is smaller in size, number one, that is also motile. Male gamete जो होता है, male gamete, तो इसमें क्या होता है? स्मॉल साइज होता है, स्मॉल इन साइज या स्मॉल साइज. तो दूसरा जो इसमें पॉइंट होता है, दैट इज एक्टिव. इट इज एक्टिव. एक्टिव मीन्स इट कंटेन्स फ्लैशा, या इट इज मोटाइल. सो इट्स कॉल्ड एज मेल गैमेट. तो सेकंड टाइप ऑफ जो गैमेट मेल गैमेट होता है, फीमेल गैमेट जो होता है, दैट इज लार्जर इन साइज. That is larger in size, वो साइज में बड़ा होता है. तो but that is passive या नॉन मोटाइल हम उसे कहेंगे, नॉन मोटाइल, या वो मूव नहीं कर सकता है. अगर यहाँ मैं मेल गैमेट बनाऊंगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेल गैमेट, सो दिस विल बी फीमेल गैमेट. सो द मेल गैमेट इज एक्टिव और मोटाइल एंड स्मॉल इन साइज. बट फीमेल गैमेट जो होता है वो छोटा होता है, छोटा नहीं बल्कि बड़ा होता है, लार्जर इन साइज, एंड आल्सो दैट इज नॉन मोटाइल, इसमें फ्लाइला नहीं होता है. सो दैट विल बी पैसिव, वो मूवमेंट नहीं करता है. तो ये दो गैमेट जो बने उनको हम ओगैमेट्स कहते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड एज ओगैमेट्स. तो जब ये फ्यूज होंगे, सच गैमेट से जब फ्यूज होंगे, तो उसको हम ओगैमी कहते हैं. वो साइज टाइप ऑफ fusion of gametes is called as oogamy. So these are the three types of reproduction or sexual reproduction which takes place in this phaeocomycetes. One is called as isogamy. Female the gametes are of similar size. And anisogamy में जो gametes होते हैं different sizes होते हैं, different होते हैं. तो oogamy में भी different होते हैं, but here this male gamete is active, small in size, but female gamete is non-active or passive. So these are the three types of sexual reproduction which takes place in. So इसमें मैंने एग्जाम्पल बता दिए हैं. एक तो इसमें कभी कभी ये भी क्वेश्चन आता है, what are some examples of this? वन, एक तो मैंने कहा म्यूकर. तो सेकंड मैंने कहा राइजोपस. तो थर्ड टाइप इसमें आता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज be that is called as albugo. तो ये albugo is as a parasite, कभी कभी पूछा जाता है, it is as a parasite on mustard. मस्टर्ड प्लांट जो होता है उसमें एक पैरासाइट एल्बिगो होता है. सो आई थिंक दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस फाइकोमाइसीट्स. सो उसके बाद दिस एस्पोमाइसीट्स, सो वो कल ले लेंगे. थैंक यू सेक्शन.